I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. As you know, Yourpedia Education is the only platform where we are providing you very scientific counseling for post-gate admissions, etc. Now, let me tell you that what are the statistics and what are some of the important basically data which I think I should share with you, which you are already aware. Like what I believe is like majority of the students do not use their scores. They get the score, they compare it with others, like somebody who's got a higher score, and they think that their score is less and they do not use it. The fact is, like, there are so many seats in IITs, triple IITs, IITs, NITs, and many other such institutes. So, in my opinion, IIT, NIT, triple IT, mil milake, there are some 30 plus good institutes in which there are so many higher education seats which keep remaining vacant. I mean, students do not join these seats and all because they think that they will not get admission or they will not get the call, but the reality is that there are so many seats and you can get those seats. Now if you see the result of this year gate also, like 7 lakh students appeared, and 1.27 lakh people students qualified it across all the branches. If we talk about these many students qualified it, if you talk about total number of PSU seats, I believe there will be some 1,000 odd PSU seats on an average. If I talk about महारत्ना नवरत्ना मिल मिला के इस साल का 2021 में will not get more than this. On an average, I think this is the number of seats we can think of. अगर सारे महारत्ना कंपनीज और नवरत्ना कंपनी जो गेट के थ्रू they used to take earlier if they join, but last year we have seen that some major PSUs like ONGC, they have not joined. But this is the number you should keep in your mind. Then there are 1,000 plus seats which are at par with PSUs in IIT system. I will categorize that in the category of management and information technology, like data science, artificial intelligence, and all. Management, like production, this industrial and operation research department, optimization, statistics. All these seats, if I connect together, then there will be, I believe, 1,000 seats, such seats, interdisciplinary seats. In that, I'm including NITI Bombay also, like 200 plus odd seats in NITI Bombay, which are at par with PSUs like IEOR department of IIT Bombay, Masters of Management IIC Bangalore, Artificial Intelligence of IIT Bangalore, IIC Bangalore, data science courses in IITs. So all these, if I combine together, 1,000 seats will be in that particular category. So that also is comparable with PSUs. Then if I add about the core branch, like if you are from electrical, then for you electrical core branch. If you're electronics, then VLSI. If you're from civil, then structure or environment. If you're mechanical, then thermal seats. So that MTech, MS, all the seats, if together, if I add, that will be far more than 10,000 seats. Interdisciplinary and core branch, all milake, MS, MTech, PhD, 10,000 plus seats will be there. And 5,000 students join these seats on an average. So this is statistics which I'm giving, that is largely on the basis of our own analysis on Yourpedia. It is not on the basis of some reference. We may be wrong, in this. We may be, this data may be up or down little bit, but that is my understanding, that these are the number of seats, these are the IITs, NITs which offer these seats. So reality is like the number of seats are more and students aspiring for them are, I mean, applying for them and getting into them are less. So what is the reason for that? There are many reasons for that. First reason is that students think, there are misconception. I told you last time also, there are misconception like, sir, MS is not good, MTech is good. Sir, core versus non-core. Like, sir, non-core like energy studies, aerospace, data science, material science, rural technology, oceaneering, earth science. So this may not give me career. They may not give me placement. So sir, should I join IIC Bangalore oceaneering or not? Sir, should I join rural technology or not? Should I join energy science in this particular IIT or not? So all these misconceptions, and students do not apply for that. They think their score is less. And another misconception, like they think gate score is the only criteria, little realizing that your CGPA, gate score, etc., these are combined factors which will help you get the calls. So these are also to be added. So if you remove all these things from your mind, like if you really want to convert your gate score into some kind of calls and selections, you need to do that. And another thing I want to tell you is, like if you want to get calls, because first is you have to apply, and then you have to get calls, and then you have to go for interview and all, and then you will get selected eventually. So if you do not apply, if you apply only 3-4 places, the probability of getting call is less, and probability of getting selected is even lesser. So MTech course normally interviews are less, direct admission आपका हो जाता है, but this year because online interviews facilities are now updated, offline तो मेरे को chance कम लगता है, लेकिन online interviews के chance है. This year there will be online interviews, and hence even MTech courses में there can be online interviews. MS and PhD are the courses which are there with interviews only, so you need to prepare for that. So you need to apply more places, so that if you get called, you need to prepare well so that you can convert it into some kind of selection, and then you can join it. So normally students should apply in 3-4 departments per IIT. Like suppose you are from electrical engineering background, so not only electrical engineering department, you should apply in some another department which are equally good or better than even your electrical engineering department. And I have told you in the previous also, like core, non-core, and all these things are only debated once you are outside IIT. The moment you enter IIT, all these things are same. If you have decided that I will get placement, you will surely get placement. Only thing is you need to enhance your skill. You need to put effort for placement. You need to learn those things which provide you placement, and you will get the placement. So nutshell, what I want to tell you is, like a result of GATE has come. Now it's a time for you to apply in different courses, different IITs, so that if you apply, you get calls. If you get calls, you convert that into selection and you join it. This is what is to be done. And as I've told you, this a little bit statistics, like there are so many seats. Only thing is you have to convert that. So many good institutes. If you talk about IITs, I think there are 15 IITs, 5 to 10 good NITs in which you can think of applying, then IIScs, then some more reputed institutes like BITS, Birla Institute and all. So if you add all these, this will be 30 plus good institutes, offering each institute offering 5 to 6 department per engineering background. Like if you are from electronic background, the 4 to 5 department will be there for you. Mechanical, 6 to 7 department for you. So per branch, per individual, 4 to 5 departments, and 30 such institutes are existing. So you understand the kind of opportunity we have, and we need to convert that. We need to apply so that we get the calls. So keep watching on YourPedia. We'll keep providing you detailed information about all these things. Keep this thing in mind and apply so that you can fill up those seats. Though don't go vacant, and you can convert your score into some kind of selection. Keep doing that and keep observing on YourPedia. Thank you.